Hi, first graders. Beautiful job listening to Goldilocks and the Three Bears yesterday. Your responses on the Google form really showed your teachers that you understood what the story was about. So keep up using those tools to help you understand your books. Today, I want to focus on characters again. Okay? Let's learn about characters. Let's learn about the main character in Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Boys and girls, the best part about reading, one of the best parts about reading, is that you get to meet so many characters along the way. Look how many characters we've already learned about. We met Little Red Riding Hood, we met Cinderella. Who's the main character in Goldilocks and the Three Bears? You're right, it's Goldilocks. So let's learn about her. Let's get to know her. So how can we get to know characters? It's important to get to know their personality, who they are. So character traits are words that describe and help us understand a character. To get to know characters, you have to, as you're reading, it's important to think about what they're saying. Think about what they do. Think about how they're thinking and what they're feeling. So some examples of character traits: caring, friendly, funny, responsible, kind, mean. Now, characters are all different. Some are some traits and some are other traits. So not all characters and not all people are all of these traits, okay? All characters are different. So let's get to know Goldilocks by making a character map. You guys were doing such a great job with your story maps. Let's start making character maps. This is what a character map could look like. So I made a Goldilocks character map. Drew a picture of Goldilocks the best I can in the middle. I tried to draw her what she looked like in the book with her blonde hair. She had some rosy cheeks. She was wearing a dress. She was holding a basket. I drew it the best I can. Okay? And then over here, I put lines with circles. In the circles, we can write some character traits to describe Goldilocks. To support those traits, we need evidence from the text. So Goldilocks is, what is she? Because, and then that's the evidence, okay? Let's think about Goldilocks. Let's think about what kind of character she is. Let's think about some of the things she says, thinks, feels, and does in the story. Think about it. Okay? Let me think. What kind of character is Goldilocks? What did she do? What did she think? Oh, Goldilocks is a curious type of character. She's curious. We know what curious means. That's one of our rockin' values. It means you want to know more about something. Why is she curious? I have to give evidence. Turn and tell a stuffed animal or a family member why Goldilocks is a curious character. What did she do in the story that was curious, or what did she think? I'll write it over here. Turn and tell a stuffed animal or a family member while I'm writing. She's curious. Okay. Goldilocks is curious because when the Three Bears' door was open, she wondered who was inside that house. That's why she went in. She wanted to know who was in there. So she was very curious about who or what was inside. That's why she went in. So Goldilocks is a curious character. Do you agree? Okay. I'm going to show you how to write a sentence like that. Okay? So Goldilocks is curious. There's the trait. Goldilocks is curious. I need evidence. I need to prove it. Prove why she's curious. You can't just say somebody's curious for no reason. You have to get the evidence why they're curious. So, like I said, Goldilocks is curious because she wonders who is inside the And there is my evidence. Goldilocks is curious because she wonders who is inside the house. Now, I don't want to take all of your time. I am confident that your smart brains can do a Goldilocks character map on your own. Okay? You can make this, you can get a piece of paper, any paper you have, draw a little picture of Goldilocks in the middle, just like I did. Then draw some lines. You don't have to draw the circles, you could just draw the lines and then write the words, okay? And write 4 or 5 character traits about Goldilocks, okay? Then, on the bottom or on the back of your paper, if you don't have any room, write 2 sentences with the character trait and evidence from the text to prove why Goldilocks is that trait, okay? So Goldilocks is trait because try not to use Miss Caputo's, because I know your smart brains can come up with character traits and evidence on your own, okay? You can use this trait up here, but for your sentence, pick your own. Okay, boys and girls? Have so much fun with this, with your character maps, and we are so excited to see what you come up with. Upload them to Google Classroom or Class Dojo. Have fun!